Bitfarms closes in on 110 megawatts, takes ownership of new U.S. data center. Bitcoin mining Bitfarms Ltd. has expanded into the United States through the acquisition of a new data center in Sharon, Pennsylvania. Last updated August 28, 2024 at 5:52 GMT3. Journalist Hassan Shittu about author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3, gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile Share, copied last updated August 28th, 2024 at 5:52 GMT3. Why Trust Cryptonews with over a decade of crypto coverage. Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitfarms Ltd., a global leader in Bitcoin mining, has officially expanded its footprint in the United States by acquiring a new data center in Sharon, Pennsylvania. This acquisition, which follows the initial announcement on June 13, 2024, marks a significant milestone for Bitfarms as it establishes its first mega site in the U.S., securing access to up to 120 megawatts MW of power. The company has closed on 110 megawatts with plans to activate 30 megawatts by the end of 2024 and potentially bring an additional 10 megawatts online by 2025, raising the total site capacity to 120 megawatts. Bitfarm coming big into the U.S. market. The Sharon site represents a critical development in Bitfarms' aggressive U.S. expansion strategy, increasing its operational capacity nearly sevenfold. Bitfarms CEO Ben Gagnon emphasized in a statement the strategic importance of this new site and its location on the Pennsylvania-New Jersey, Maryland PJM grid, the largest wholesale electricity market in the U.S. This position provides the company access to competitively priced and flexible power options, which are particularly attractive for Bitcoin mining and other high-performance computing HPC applications, including artificial intelligence. For Bitcoin mining specifically, the site is expected to support up to 8 EH with the latest generation miners. Gagnon detailed the massive potential for Bitcoin mining at the site, projecting support for up to 8 exahashes per second as using the latest generation of mining equipment. To capitalize on the site's potential, Bitfarms has already begun ordering the necessary infrastructure to bring 30 megawatts of capacity online by the end of 2024. Our team has already ordered the necessary equipment, and our current expectation is to bring 30 megawatts of capacity online by year-end 2024. Gagnon also pointed out the site's location advantages, which include various curtailment, demand response, and energy trading opportunities that will help hedge against energy costs and optimize operational expenses. Is Bitfarm growing too fast? With the acquisition of the Sharon data center, Bitfarms is expanding its U.S. presence and strategically positioning itself to benefit from the largest energy market. The PJM grid's flexibility and competitive pricing provide a unique advantage for energy-intensive industries like Bitcoin mining. Bitfarms aims to leverage these benefits for its Bitcoin mining operations while also exploring additional revenue streams through energy trading and demand response initiatives. By integrating into a significant energy market, the company opens up possibilities for new ventures in areas such as energy arbitrage. For example, it could buy low electricity prices and sell back to the grid during peak demand periods. Such strategies allow Bitfarms to mitigate some of the inherent volatility and energy costs associated with Bitcoin mining. Earlier this year, Bitfarms reported a 21% increase in Bitcoin production for June 2024, despite the halving event's impact, which reduced block rewards by 50%. The company achieved a 96% year-on-year increase in its installed hash rate. It announced plans for further expansion, aiming to reach a mining capacity of 21 AS by the end of 2024 and over 35 by 2020. The company also recently announced its acquisition of rival stronghold Digital Mining, a $175 million deal involving stock and debt financing expected to close in the first quarter of 2025. This acquisition will add 307 megawatts of power capacity to Bitfarms operations, enhancing its energy portfolio and geographic footprint and positioning it as a leading player in North American Bitcoin mining. With all these strategic moves, Bitfarm is definitely on to something big, and we can only watch and see how big it is. Follow us on Google News.